So there is a new way to create a QR code in Canva. First, create a new design. We are going to choose a logo. On the side panel, scroll down. It used to be in apps, but now scroll down more and you will find QR codes. I'm going to choose the blocks design. Next, paste your URL here. I'm going to use my YouTube channel link and click Save. The name is optional, it's just for you. You can also choose a pattern. I'm going to pick these hearts. Adjust the corners. But the most important thing is the logo. You can have no logo, but unfortunately, you have to upgrade to Canva Business. They probably figured out that a lot of people use Canva just for QR codes. So for now, you can only choose between these two Canva logos. If you want to add your own logo, you have to upgrade to Canva Business as well. Next, adjust the size, click on Share and simply download. Thank you for watching. I'm going to try to find a free option for this because I know a lot of you don't want to spend money just for one QR code design. If it's for business, it makes sense to just subscribe for a month, create a bunch of QR codes and then leave. Let me know in the comments what you think.